And what I was saying about the Jayda hairstyle, I feel like the internet has bullied her into becoming a mean person.
The amount of TikToks that I've seen of me getting dragged because they're naming a hairstyle after me that people indeed want after they saw me with it is nasty work. Like, why am I getting dragged? I'm not on here saying these the Jada such and such and such. I simply just go get my hair done. People want their hair like that now because they saw Jada wear their hair like that.
There's nothing wrong with giving credit when due, but y'all just be giving credit anywhere. Like, y'all, Wayda did it first, I'm telling you. They ain't do that shit first.
Like, she didn't invent the hairstyle, but I mean, I think she definitely brought it back.
I'm a dog, but I still wanna party. Pigs felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like, Daddy, all of the bodies is pretty. Damn, all of the bodies is bad. It girls, and we can play tag.
I went and got my hair cornrowed in the front today by my hairstylist, and I am going to sew my own bundles in the back. And I just wanted to show you guys, like me doing my hair, and how to save some money if you decide that you want to get this hairstyle and you maybe don't want to pay like the full salon price. Yeah, I paid $55 for her to do the front, and this is what's gonna go over the bundles. And I left out like a little bit of hair to like cover the tracks. I know some people don't, like, they just sew the tracks right into the back, but like I left out some hair because I don't like my tracks showing. So I did a little beehive cornrow style in the back where I'm gonna sew the tracks onto. I don't know how to cornrow my own hair that well, and I definitely don't know how to cornrow my hair from the back, so my cornrows look kind of jacked up. But I'm gonna show y'all anyway because who cares? Because once the track over it, no one's gonna see my cornrows. So as long as you can do something, as long as you know how to do a little bit of something as far as a cornrow to have it sturdy enough to put a track on it, you're good. So I'll show you guys my little beehive, and you do it in a beehive because I think it helps with like fullness rather than if you just cornrow it straight down. Here's the back. I have to sew this part down, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I got my thread, I got my needle, and I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I have. So this hair is from the beauty supply store. I washed it. I think it's Bohemian Wave. I don't have the packaging anymore because I opened it and washed it. It's supposed to be 16, 14, and 12 inches. And hopefully I wanted to hit like maybe like right here. I didn't want mine to be long. I know some girls are getting theirs like down here, but I didn't want that. I wanted mine to be kind of short. So let's go ahead and move this hair out the way. Okay, so now I have to see which one bundle is the longest. There's only 3 bundles, and I was worried. I was like, is this gonna be enough? And the girl was like, yes, girl. She was like, that hair is thick. So I hope she was right. If this isn't enough hair, I will go right to the beauty supply store and buy another pack. Because one thing I don't like is some thin bundles, especially if you got a fro. I mean, you could get away with it with a fro because it's bushy, but I want mine to be full. Jayda used to be the sweetest, 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 sweetest person. Like, I fell in love with like her personality and just how humble and kind-hearted she used to come off. But like, I feel like the internet has bullied her into becoming a mean person. So we got up to the last track, and now it's time to try and blend. So as you can see, my hair is shorter than the track, but it's not anything we can't fix. I only used one bundle, but I don't know, I might add more depending on how it looks after I comb everything out. I see the vision, but we're not quite there yet. So first things first, I will say that I'm gonna definitely add some more tracks and cut this a little bit. It needs more tracks. This is not full enough. I'll probably end up using 2 bundles, and then I'm gonna have to twist this and blend this in a little more, but we're getting somewhere for sure. It's super full, but I still feel like it's missing hair. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're working with. I ended up adding more tracks. So I would say this is 2 bundles, and then I put like a small piece of the 3rd bundle in the back, but I like it. I think if anything, I need to define the curl more. Um, and I didn't know that my real hair was almost as long as the hair, so I need to figure out how to curl this or maybe twist it at night with some twisting gel so it can kind of match the pattern of the hair. But every time when I do my hair, honestly, the first day I'm just kind of like, I don't know. Like I always have to keep like playing with it. And I don't know if because I have to get used to the cornrows in the front. I don't know. But I think I want to put like more like right here. And I wish it was like, I want it to be like a fro almost. So I do think it came out cute and I do like it. But I just think I need to work with it some more. And I know a lot of girls are like wanding theirs, but I don't want to wand mine. I want it to look like this, like a natural like fro. So this is pretty much the look, but with the days to come, the curl will be more defined and it'll grow on me a little bit more, and I'll figure out like where my hair is left out, how to get that, you know, more to match the pattern of the hair. But see, it's cute. It is cute. My hairdresser did a great job with the cornrows. Let me know in the comments if you ever do your real hair. Would you try this hairstyle, this Jayda Wayda brought back hairstyle? And do you like the results?
And we be playing tag.